program with a comment. The first thing is I will put 2/ and I will write down the program name. So here is the program name saying hello. The next command I am typing is CLC to clear the console, and we can clear the console from the brush also. That will come here when I will show you the console. Here let me write down something. Let us say DD. So it's come with something, but if I want to clear it, so I will write down either CLC, it will clear the console, and if I have written again something I want to clear it, so this is a brush saying clear console. Right? This is a command that needs to be put in the starting of the program so that the console will be cleared when we are executing it. So let's start with the next thing, clear all. This is to clear all the variables that has been created prior to the work. Next thing is how we are going to take the input from user. Input, and then I will write on a message your name. I am giving some space and a colon so that it will take properly the value. Something from user, it must be kept in some variable. So here is a variable name is. If we talk about how the variables could be named, so be sure that we are giving a proper name to the variable and they are character sensitive. Means if I am writing out small s or capital S, they are different. Also, the variable should not be having any space or alphanumeric character other than underscore. So here I have taken a simple variable s is equal to input, enter your name. Now when it is a number, then this is the command, but if I have to take a string, then I have to mention here that I am going to take input as a string from the user. Once I have taken it, what I want to say is I want to say hello. So I am using a command display that is used to display the output on the screen, and I am saying hello and some space I am adding so that the name will be displayed after some space and plus the string s. Let's save and run it. So this is from where I will save and execute, and I'm going to save it on my desktop saying P1, my first program, and it's asking me enter your name. So let me say Geeta, and here's the output, hello Geeta. Right? So this is how we need to say hello to someone. Now one more thing I want to show you here is, let us extend the program to take the age also from user. So if I write it down, let us say n is equal to input. I have taken the age in number n. Now there is no need to put an extra thing because here we have taken string. I have continued with a string to show that the input is coming off string. Here there is no input. Now I can display in journal your age is, and then after I can put n. Let's see if it's working. It's taking my name, it's taking my age, and it's saying like this, your age is 12. So just we have started with and we are learning with this command to display the output at DISP, but further on we can work with the command printf. So I will let you know in the coming programs. Right? So we have done with the first one. Let's work with the second program. The next program we have is finding out area of a field. Here we are saying write a program that asks the user to enter the width and length of a room, and once the values have been read, your program should compute and display area of the room. So let's working. Now I'm creating a new side node with Control N, and when I will press Control N, it will create a new application window. So let's start with the second program, that is calculating area. And if I show you, code is given like this: CLC clear all. I have a command to take length from the user, breadth from the user in variable L and B. Then I am saying A is equal to L into B to find out the area, and here in place of display I have used printf command saying area is equal to %d A. So here I need to understand what my %d is. So it is a format specifier that will be updated with the value of a variable once the value is calculated. It means here I can write down more specific type of sentence saying area is equal to this thing. So if I run it, let's see, it's saying enter length, enter breadth, and then after we have area as 168, right? So this is a program to find out area of a room. Now let's start with the next program. Here the third program is regarding the calculation. We are saying create a program that will read two integers, and we should display the sum, difference, product, the quotient, remainder, results of log A of A, log 10 of A, and result of A. Let's start, and let me copy all these things that will be helpful for doing the calculation. So here is a new window that I have opened by pressing Ctrl N, or I can go to File, new. From here also I can go, or the shortcut is Control N. So when I am starting with the program, again I am having CLC clear all. Now whatever I have taken as a question, let me paste it here and make it as a comment. Comment means these are the lines that are not going to execute, but since I want to see all the things to be done, I am making that comment. Let's see what are the commands to find out the two numbers from user. So here we have A is equal to input, enter first number, B is equal to input, enter second number. Now when we are looking for sum of AB to calculate, what I can say, I am using a command printf, and I can say sum is equal to %d, and after that put a comma and write down whatever I want to do. It is A plus B. So it will be displaying the sum of A and B. Similarly, I am not removing the comments, but I am writing downwards. So here in place of sum, we have to find out the difference of A and B, and we are saying when B is subtracted from A, this should be the output. Then we have to find out product. So here I will change it as PROD. The command for product is PROD. So here we are saying either PROD of AB, or I can say A into B like this. The next is quotient. To find out the quotient, I am writing out quotient, and here what I need to do is A is divided by B, so A by B. Then we are looking for remainder. So this is a special command when I am looking for finding out the remainder, and remainder will be calculated by using modulo. So here we have modulo and A comma B. The last one is result of log A and AB. So here we have log 10 of the first number. So I have written like this, and this is actually the command I will use, log 10, and in bracket the number A. Now I think the last one is same as the product, so let me remove it. Now let us see what is going to display. We need to edit it, but let's start with the things. So here we have the whole program that we have created for doing the calculation. So let's calculate. I'm going to run it as P3. It's saying enter the first number. So let me give the first number as 12, and the second number, let us say, is 5. So we are getting something like sum 17, difference 7, product 60, quotient 2, remainder 2, log 10A is 1, but it's not looking good, right? So what else I can do is, in display, automatically we are getting the next line, but it's not good to use display command when we can format the output. So here what I need to do is, I need to add format specifier %d for replacing the output, and I have a meta character /n. /n is a character for the new line. Means after each output I need new line to insert. So I'm going here and I'm giving a space and entering /n. Means after the display of output I should move to the new line. So I'm using here /n. So let us see the difference. Let me save and execute. The first number, let us say we have 13, the second number, let us say 2, and now I can observe what is coming here as I am getting the sum as 15 because the number are 13 and 2, so okay, sum is 15, difference is 11, product is 13 into 2, quotient is 13 divided by 2, so we are getting 2 6 are 12, and we can say remainder is 1 and log 10 of A is 1, right? So this is how we are doing the calculation. So hope you have understood how we can use the inbuilt command to do the calculation. Let's start with the next program. Here we have the next program to find out sum of the first positive integer. It is also very basic that we have to take a number from user and we have to add all the integers from 1 to n, and we can use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So let's start. So here is the comment that I have a program to find out sum of first positive integer. So what I need to do is, let me take n is equal to input and I need to enter limit, means up to which number I want to sum the numbers. So here I have taken, then it is just that I need a formula to calculate and it is just simple, so I can say sum is equal to, now sum is actually a keyword, so color is changed, so let us take s, and s is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So I have written the formula, and then I can use printf command to find out sum is equal to, again I am using %d, comma, now where the sum is stored, it is in variable s. So I have written like this. So let's see. I forgot to put CLC, and you can see it's asking me here without removing the earlier work. So this is what we are using, why we are using CLC command. So let me say enter a 4 numbers starting from 1. So here the sum is 10, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can verify it, and the sum is coming as 10. Hope so you're enjoying. Let's start with the next program. The next program is to calculate weight. We are talking about 2 variety of boxes, A and B. A box 25 grams and each B box weight 35 grams. We need to write on a program that read the number of boxes of each type in an order from user, and then we will display the weight of the order. Means we have 2 boxes, we need to ask how much we need from A and from B, and here we have been given that A box weight 25 grams, B weight 35 grams, right? So let me copy from here the header, calculating weights. So let's start. The first thing is comment, calculating weights. This is my 5th program, so you can put it as such, or you can write it down whatever you want to mention it. The next is CLC. The next we have is clear all. Now again I need to take the input. So let us say n is equal to, okay, so here we have the 2 commands for input. N and M I am taking as input enter number of A boxes and enter number of B boxes. Once I have the numbers, what I need to do is I need to find out the total weight. So let us say W is equal to, now the weight of A box is 25 grams, so I can say it is equal to N into 25 and plus M into 35, the weight of B box. So if once I have calculated this, once I have the value of W, I can print the total weight. So here we have the total weight, and where the total weight is being stored, it is stored in W. So I can write on %d, and here I will put W. So let's see how it will work. So enter number of A boxes, let us say I have 2 boxes, and B boxes I have 4, so the total weight is coming as 190. So this is what the basics programs we have created today using the Scilab and the basic mathematical operation. In the next video we will calculate with some more in order to grasp how to use the inbuilt command, and let us try to practice all these things so that we can be able to create the program, right? So thank you so much.